Hello developers, welcome to my another tutorial. I am Tutul. Today we will talk about JavaScript. Without wasting time, let's start. What is JavaScript? JavaScript is a scripting language that can create dynamically updating contents, control all multimedia, animate things, and so on. It gives you the grand access of visual interaction for your website. You can make your date design to alive with JavaScript. What is the use of JavaScript? Generally, JavaScript runs on browsers like Mozilla Firefox, Chrome, or Safari. JavaScript runs with the JavaScript engine called V8 engine that actually helps to convert all the codes to machine codes. Nowadays, JavaScript is usually used for front-end development and back-end development. Few years ago, people just used the JavaScript as a toy with other languages. But after the release of Node.js, JavaScript becomes the ultimate language for developing websites just with it. It can be used as a server or can be used as a front-end or both of them. Here a modern stack comes with it called MERN. We will talk about MERN later on. Some examples of JavaScript. Using JavaScript, we can make few features inside website like searching products or sorting products. Or you can animate slider, banner, or a specific element inside a website. Nowadays, people started to make games with it also. Now we will see how actually writes the JavaScript on the browser. As an example, to write JavaScript, we can use console of the browser to write it to show the output live. Don't worry, we will explain all the codes from the next tutorial. For print something, you can use the console log. Or you can make an alert on the browser by typing this. Or you can do mathematical terms by typing here. So that was the quick demonstration of JavaScript. From next episode, we will start learning JavaScript step by step. We will start from set up the environment to build a project together. So till then, take care and to subscribe my channel. To get latest tutorial notification, press the bell icon. Peace.